Okay, so for Zoom, you go down to video and you click this little caret, and right here it says choose virtual background. Now, just a side note, you don't need to have a green screen, but personally I use a green screen because it's less glitchy than not having a green screen. I'll show you the difference between having a green screen and not having a green screen. So basically when you're in here, if you have a green screen, you click this little checkbox here where it says I have a green screen, and then you basically upload any picture or video to use as your background, and you can do that by clicking this plus sign here, and then you can pull up a picture from your computer. And let's just test one out here. So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, this is a nice little castle background. So I tend to get my pictures on Pixabay, or you can even get them on Google. And you can also put videos on here. Let's see here. So here's a fun one that a lot of my students like, the volcano. I got this video on Pixabay for free. So it's pretty cool. You can put videos in here too. And let me show you what it looks like without a green screen. Okay, so this is what it would look like without a green screen. Let's try it out. Now, as you can see in my hands, it's a little bit glitchy. So you can see that I'm missing parts of my fingers at times. Sometimes I'm missing parts of my arm. So it's a little bit more glitchy. It still works, but it doesn't work as well as the green screen, as you can see. Okay, so if you want to use the backgrounds without a green screen, you just unclick that box where it says I have a green screen. Just a little side note, your video will look backwards to you, but it will be facing the correct way for your viewer. Just make sure the mirror my video box is checked off, and that will flip the video around for your viewer. All right, now moving on to Google Meet. So you will actually have to install a plugin in order to have virtual backgrounds on Google Meet. So basically what you can do is Google Visual Effects, Google Meet, and click that first link. And then you can add that extension. Okay, so that extension is added. So now we're in Google Meet. And after you've added that extension, you should see a little box on the side here that swings out. If you don't have that box added, just double check to see what email you are using on your Google Chrome browser. So if you look in the top right-hand corner of your Google Chrome browser, it'll show you what email is associated to the Chrome browser. So the extension would have downloaded into the account associated with the Google Chrome browser. So if you are using a different email to access Google Meet, you will have to change your email on your Google Chrome browser and log into that email that you are logging into Google Meet with. Okay, so over here you can see it says green screen, default virtual. So you want to click virtual background. Right here, this is the button that you would click to upload your background. So you can save the backgrounds to your computer and then upload them from your computer. You click that, open it up, and I'm just going to choose, let's do this watermelon background. Okay, and then you need to click this checkbox. Okay, so I'm not as familiar with Google Meet, so I believe that if you have a green screen just like in Zoom, you might have less glitchiness, but that's something that I have to look into a little bit further. So you can also use videos for virtual backgrounds in Google Meet as well. You'd upload it the same way. All right, thanks for watching.